Hey everyone, in this video we will look at the different view options available in Power BI desktop for any particular page that we've got in Power BI. So let's start. I've got this file open here with me in the Power BI desktop, and as you can see I can see all the visuals, and by default Power BI sets the fit to screen option, and let's see where you can see that option and how to play around with that. I've also uploaded this file to GitHub, and I'll leave a link to the video, the file in the video notes, so you can download the file. You can do it on any other file that you've got open with yourself as well. So I can see all these four visuals plus the filter I've got here. So if I go to the view pane, you can see there's a page view option, and you can see fit to page is selected by default. But I can also go and change the view option, so I can say fit to width, and you can see that the page view has changed, and we cannot see the whole of the page. And similarly, we've got another option which is actual size, so you can click on the actual size option and you can see that it's become really big now, but I can see the numbers on the table, so I can change and toggle with the various viewing options available to me if I want to maybe see the data on a tablix in more detail, or if I want to look at some other viewing options. This is just, I'll just go and set it back to fit to page. So in this video, we learned that different page view options available in Power BI. I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Cheers, bye.